Welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. My name's Kevin and today is Friday and Friday of a long weekend. We have a long weekend here in Canada and I want to know, is this Friday going to pull clutch? Let's try and find out if long weekends make big bucks. And if this first one's any indication, it's going to mean a great night. We're starting with a great one. $10.65 for only 15 minutes. Can't wait to grab it. Hopefully it's ready. This restaurant's suspect, but let's go grab it. I'm picking up for Uber Eats, AB9A5. Perfect, appreciate that. Thank you, you too. Hi there. Are you Mackenzie?
Yeah.
Awesome, I got your food for you. And there you go, enjoy your dinner. Hi.
Come on.
The wait at that last restaurant wasn't too bad. 5-6 minutes and I was off. She was waiting for me, absolutely perfect. And right away we got this one, $7.28, 16 minutes. Another quick and easy one, yes, keep them coming.
Okay, it's almost ready.
I'm picking up 00C73 for Uber. Amrita is the name.
00C73.
You got it, it's ready, thank you. You know it's going to be a good night when Uber Eats gives you that ding right as you're about to take the picture. That doesn't happen anymore, but when offers are jumping, they do that. And this offer is not a bad one to take. $9.06 for 24 minutes. Might be a little bit long, but this restaurant's usually on it. If I can get it ready, this should be done in under 20. $9 in my pocket. Let's keep it going. Hi, Uber Eats for Brandon. Perfect. Is the Pepsi in there as well? Thank you. Appreciate it. Yep, thank you. That last order wasn't ready, but it only took 5 minutes. In total, 20 minutes. That first hour in the books, $27. Loving it. Let's keep it going. And they gave me another one, $14.04 for 27 minutes. You know what? When they're giving out money like this, I'm here to take it. Bring it on.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How about you? Uber Eats for Joe and Nikki. This would be Nikki, yep.
Yeah.
And Joe's a bigger one. Perfect.
Just one minute. Let me just.
Yeah, I can put that with that, no problem.
And this is for Nikki, okay?
This is Nikki, thank you. Today is an amazing night. It is nonstop. It is offer after offer after offer, and they're generally pretty good. I took this one, even though it's not, $10.02 for 36 minutes, 30 kilometers. I know that's huge. That's horrible. Why am I taking it? Those last two orders took me out of my zone. Sometimes when I'm in this area, I can get some good offers, but I never get anything that actually takes me back to my zone. This is taking me back to my zone. Pretty sure it's a non-tipper, but I'm going to get paid to drive back to where I wanted to do anyway. So let's go grab it.
Hi.
Hi, Uber Eats for Rabia.
What's the number?
It is 2EA35. Awesome, thank you. Here you go.
Thanks.
You got it?
Yeah.
Thank you. Just as suspected, that last order, all base pay. $10.02, no tip on that. I knew that was gonna happen. Comment down below, let me know if you would have taken that, if you needed to get back into your zone. But I wanted to come back into the zone so I can get a good offer, and I got this one. $6 for 15 minutes. It came in right away. I took it because it's an easy one. Let's keep the night rolling and get on to the next one. That matches my order. Can I grab it?
Number?
EDB06.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
A9AAE. Perfect, thank you. Hi, Uber Eats.
There you go.
You got it? Perfect, thank you. I love that last order. They gave me an add-on for $7.17. Love that. Great. Easy second pickup. Loved it. Then I went to the apartment building for the first order, 4th floor, dropped it off. Perfect. Then I looked at the second order and it was on that floor. I literally passed it on the way to the first order. I had to go all the way back down to my car, grab the order, go all the way back up. I wish I knew so I could have had them both done and continued, because this night is nonstop. It's continuing to go once again. I can't even catch my breath. $7.44, 60 minutes. Love it. Let's pick it up and let's keep it going. Hi, 4B84F Uber. Thank you. Another easy one in the books, but it's starting to slow down, at least slowing down with good orders, because I've had really bad ones and I've just been declining. They've put me on a timeout, a pause. I wasn't getting anything good, nothing worth taking until now. $10.50 for 19 minutes. The only bad thing, it's Burger King. So I might be waiting, hopefully not, but while I'm waiting, if you can like and subscribe, because I'm having an amazing night, I'd appreciate it.
Yeah,
Uber Eats for Nicole. Awesome. Nicole?
I'm sorry about that.
That's okay, thank you.
Have a good night.
Good night. So a trip radar came in. I got really excited. I was right in front of the restaurant. $14.46, 22 minutes. It's thinking, and then it starts throwing me a $3 offer. Then I said no, because the $14.46 is all I wanted. It has to be mine. Then they didn't give it to me. 10 seconds later, I got this one. $13.50, 20 minutes. Get this, the same offer I accepted that it didn't give it to me. It said it went to another driver. It did not go to another driver. It went to me for almost $1 cheaper. What the hell are they doing? They totally ripped me off. It was bad enough when it was just a few pennies, but now they're taking a whole $1. I should have said no, but you know what? It's still a good offer. I just wanted $14.46. Uber, shame on you. Shame on you for trying to rip your drivers off like this. I'm gonna go grab it, but that was totally not cool. I think that's my Uber Eats order for Brody.
Oh,
I see the name over there. Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you. Appreciate that. Wow, what a night. I was out for 4 hours and 12 minutes, and I'm bringing in $102.66. It would have been more if Uber Eats didn't steal $1 from me. That was just ridiculous. The Uber Eats scams always continue. This is a new low, Uber. Not impressed with that, but I'm really impressed with being out for just over 4 hours and making $102. Yes, love that. Bring it on. I'm gonna go back out tomorrow. Let's see if the trend continues. I'd love another 3-digit night, and I hope to see you then.